The National Weather Service has issued a tornado warning for Jefferson County, Pennsylvania, effective until 5:26 p.m. The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a tornado warning for east central Jefferson County in west central Pennsylvania until 5:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:41 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Brockway or near Du Bois, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Brockway around 4:50 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by the tornadic thunderstorm include Falls Creek. Precautionary/preparedness actions. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Please report severe weather by calling 41262-1988 to the National Weather Service Pittsburgh Facebook page or using Twitter at NWS Pittsburgh.
Okay, yeah.
Tomato sandwiches.
What about these two front corners? Let's do strawberries. All right, so let's put the basil on the ends. Okay. So we have oregano, we have thyme,